Alrighty, Andre, let's get going. It's been a long week. I'm not gonna have everything done. One thing I did get is I finally got the blaster collisions from last week, as you could see. Ooh, 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 what's going on here? Oh, there we go. Must have been hitting it pretty weird. Yeah, got the blaster collisions going. Uh, Up and down is still a bit of an issue for the blaster collisions. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. It's really just kind of weird. Uh, but I'll figure that portion out. But I want to show you that because last week I do have a head. The head sort of flies through. I just have it going through the player area right now just to show you because I figured it's showing collisions with mushrooms, and then it will also show that when it goes all the way back up, it only goes into the player area itself. While that's going through, I'll show you the scorpion is coming from the right this time. It does also go left. I have a random variable where it's just cycling through the entire thing. I don't have the poison yet. I was having trouble with the poison as far as placing it is concerned. For whatever reason, I think it was because it was being checked every time, and I have in my thought for checking it every time would basically have a modulus of 16, and if it equaled 0, then it would check the next cell. And that's what I was thinking, so that way it checked each cell. But I could not get the poison to add. I actually have it in there, but it was screwing up. And then also, I will show you, since the centipede was going, I will show you this guy. As you can see, it makes mushroom on destruction, like nothing ever happened. So we'll go ahead and, if that ever gets there, it won't. There we go. So now I'll show you that the mushroom that was just fired that's directly in front of my blaster will also be, yep. Looks like the collision is slightly off actually, I didn't notice that. But yeah, I showed you the scorpion as well. So yeah, it's going to be coming. It's just a key press right now, so they'll just keep coming. I do also have the flea. And the flea, you'll actually see in the output window, I have it checking every time, and it won't write over the mushrooms that have, it won't write over the mushrooms that have a mushroom already in it while it's checking it. So, I think that was about all that we had for this sprint. I'm still a little bit behind on it. I had some family stuff going on this week actually. Oh yes, I will show off the two-hit behavior then as well, and I will also get it to where it'll show off the scorpion coming from the other side too. So go ahead here and just go back. I'm gonna go into my scorpion and force it to come through. Greater than 0. It'll always come from the left. Alright. So the flea, I got the speed to go. However, I didn't get it to where it stopped producing the mushrooms. Which is, I would do some with a listener pattern I'm thinking about here. So that way, like, basically similar to the bullet. Once it says it's a shot, basically it's like, okay. See? Then it just flies down. So, yeah, and I just have it spawning a bunch of mushrooms from the first time I showed you to where it didn't do anything there. I forgot to show the scorpion. Then the scorpion coming from the left to right this time. So, it's moving, all good, all that good stuff. So, yeah, I know I'm a little bit behind, but I'll get caught up this week, but with MEM system. So, I'll be good though.